Okay, now if you paid attention to Backlab Mentors and the opportunities for you to be a mentor, you might have been thinking, I just want help. Okay, what specifically do you need? Now we're going to have probably, if there is interest in this, we'll probably have a different hub for students to both request and supply help on demand. It doesn't mean you're going to get your answer immediately. Within a day or two, you might have someone creating a tutorial for you. So if you have a request, I need help with this, then inside this mission, go ahead and be as specific as possible. I need to know how to draw a cat. Well, that's not enough. What application are you using? Is it supposed to be realistic? Is it a line drawing? You need to actually be able to explain yourself clearly and maybe even supply examples. Find images on the internet, something that you'd like to create something similar to that. And I know this is an opportunity for kids to joke around and all this. I ask you, please, no pranks, no jokes, no pictures of the Mona Lisa. Someone show me how to paint this. Let's keep this legit. This is about students helping students, and it's about if you have a need, well, you're helping someone else supply an answer. So don't think of yourself as helpless. You're actually helpful by saying, hey, I don't know how to do this. Someone else steps up and gives you that answer. So it's actually bravery to admit that you don't understand how to do something. And ask for help. Just like in me bumbling through these videos, your feedback, the reason all these videos say part 1 is because you're going to say, Scotch, what about this and all that? And then I can come back and put clarifying information here because, as I've said over and over and over, we're doing this together. You got it? And let's be honest, how many times have I asked you for help? I mean, haven't I said that? I need your feedback. I need to know what you're thinking. I am constantly asking you, come on, let's work together, right? So there you go. If you have a legitimate request, try to articulate it clearly. And then if there is sufficient demand, I'll set up another platform where we can formalize this process. Pretty cool, kind of exciting, man.